this is Wild Olives again. Today was a really long day and it was a bit gloomy. This morning it was snowy and the road is wet and it's so slippery when you drive. And I'm so happy I had the time to edit and upload a new video. And also I want to share that I already have an incubator coming, and also end of this month we're gonna start putting eggs in our incubator, and really looking forward for our new baby chicks, and I hope they're all well and healthy. I was doing fasting for 18 hours and I was craving for something new, something not salad, something not European food, something really Filipino. If I could choose, I would prepare dried fish in bagoong and talong, okra, and pinakbet, and also Jollibee if there is. But I have no choice but also just indulge myself with the sardines with pasta, and it was awesome and I am happy about it, and it was a gift, not a gift, a souvenir from Asian store. So anyway, I was checking Rhode Island Reds and Black Australorp, this chicken breed, and I was also checking how well they grow, because I have a 6-month-old Black Australorp, and my brother told me that it was already laying eggs, and I really wonder how many times they lay eggs. So that's all for today, guys, and I am really happy with doing this video and also editing. There was so much work and recording, editing, cutting, and checking, and sometimes I find myself being so stupid, because I thought that making YouTube videos are really easy, and I think it is hard for me because I don't have a camera, and doing a voice over makes it more hilarious. That's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click, and comment, and have a nice day. God bless you all.